Everyone, welcome back to our video series on the new digital SAT verbal section. Don't forget to follow us and comment below on additional content you'd like to see. All right, so for our problem today, what we have is a punctuation coordination question here. All of our answer choices have some form of different punctuation. Also, option A introduces the word and as well, so that's a difference we need to pay attention to. But as always with punctuation, we're thinking about our different types of clauses that we're noticing here. So full sentence, dependent clause, we have to figure out what we have. So we can pretty much just focus in on the sentence that the question is referring to. So we have, when viewed up close, however, the portraits reveal themselves to be blank, so quilts, the stitching barely visible among the thousands of pieces of printed microcut fabric. So there's kind of a lot going on in this sentence. There's a lot of commas already. We might be a little bit overwhelmed, but we're just looking to the left side of the blank first to figure out our type of clause there. So we have, when viewed up close, however, the portraits reveal themselves to be quilts. All right, so that is going to be a full sentence on the left side there. Then looking to the right of the blank, we have the word the, no matter what. So the stitching barely visible among the thousands of pieces of printed microcut fabric. So that is going to be an incomplete sentence or dependent clause, however you prefer to think of it. So in that case, we have a full sentence to the left and a dependent clause to the right. So in terms of the punctuation we could use to connect that, a couple of things we might notice here. So actually looking at our options, now that we know we have a full sentence and a dependent clause, 3 of our options are actually used to connect to full sentences, which we don't have. So that's going to be option A, C, and D. C and D are actually the same. One has a semicolon and one has a period, so we can eliminate both when we see that. And the same thing with option A. That is our third option for connecting two full sentences, a comma and a fanboy, as we call it. So we're only left with option B, which works perfectly because it uses a comma to connect a full sentence in a dependent clause, which is something that we love to do. So, all right, follow us for more.